President of Hills Farmers Union, Commander Shangpliang, had spoken recently to a section of the media about the plight of farmers in the state of Meghalaya. While speaking on the grants from the state government for farmers, Shangpliang informed that despite information to the government on the number of farmers affected during natural calamities that had occurred over 3 to 5 years now, the financial help meted out to the farmers is negligible. In fact, it was learned that a nominal amount of rupees 75 to a few hundreds had been given to farmers through various block offices across the state, even though losses incurred during these natural calamities have amounted to crores of rupees, added Shangpliang.
Kani kajing penjulor jeng kamariang ya gijur ya ukuba yang tabun kiwai lada ngingi lek keren syaka sorkar kalong kumbalik keren ya ka sorkar kelut baik namar ba nakapor syakapor hakabedi bagini kajing syak penjulor ni julek ya kaban ai kajing betip syaka sorkar bat nakling jung office ru kiju pha yang ni ban ong thok ke kerteng katno ke akar katno ke jeka balado ketarungi pha dan rai bafin kli pada katno biyo ngam ong tanguni mensiam senam lalai sausan senam mensua kam judon ke jingyarap de kidon tengkat kum kisnem mensua kidon ke jingyarap malu mala tang ba syubuk ngan ainuk sai pi si akar ukuba ulah syak lujor perkatangnya pusan ningkar kidon ke bayo si kibasan spa nang ta kiba daki spa de kalong kumba ai insult kan da village sya blok lane sya office ban simru de kata kapisa tang bai kali rukam dap de kamut menta ngisiyo sngo bet bag ong government baki sukia nam tam nong rep dan ring ini tu ya pi haga jing si syahi haki lengkha lane bat kita gijing yarap kamdon ni kapung kita gijing yarap kamtam ngakren kini badan kini gijing dia gijing penjulor yang kemariang gijing ong ban yarap nri kam judon gijing yarap ke mental ada ngilik ya thuru kala tepi ke government ma kidon lagi jong ki officer kidon ki block kidon ai bakam ju penpoi pada yakni gijing yarap sikno rap baki no rap ru kila thaj ya ke ban tang ban thok kerteng kai kum tu markam judon keno gijing yarap kan hakabedi bagini badangsyen menta bah pria tengim empat nang ban ong ban spesifik dan rela da pikli kum ya gute upria hakidi nong spung kema mencem senam ila pentip ha WhatsApp jong chief minister ngila ai ketu dan rei hadu menta le kila kinorap ru ki ong be nga bakum no menta ai jing rap balap pha ban ai ya kita gijing khen gijing dia karno gijing lut de kan tu kelapoi de ki krur tingka gijing lut ngidon gi teki data bangiru dan rei kam simdon keno gijing rap hadu menta le.
The president of the HFU further informed that the state government, through a survey by the Agriculture Department, had earlier claimed that an amount of rupees 29,000 has been given to each farmer per month. However, this does not stand true as a majority of the farmers, except for a negligible percentage, have been complaining from time to time of non-availability of financial aid from the state government, informed the president of the HFU. Therefore, the HFU has rejected the government's claims of aiding the farmers during such calamities.
Kendiat ngasukwa ban yatu ipi kum hakane ka Meghalaya Farmers Day bangi perlong ban hakane ro ka department kila ya chakmat ban penbena ba namar kadon kini ka survey ka ba peni ba kinong report Meghalaya ki yo arp kundai hajar ka sibnai dia man hakane ro kidang persngo kemat usia waktu ke meeting baki claim ru na ba ong ba kinong rep hapo Meghalaya naleng juga department ka sorkari kan ban ong baki yo arp kundai hajar tingi bangi lalet chaman laki sinong bangi la jurib ha kani kamlong kabadai kani ka data ka bapen i kani ka survey bapen i bagi norep Meghalaya ki yo arp kundai hajar sibnai kalong ka babakla bat ngiru ngim priang e kata jinda ngila kemen sisya kain la daki yo hok e kata dan repiru kum ki media khila ban lek keli la hato kat nongut kidon kita kinorep ki bayo arp kundai hajar ka sibnai ngam ong ba kimdon ki bayo ma yak arp kundai hajar kidon ki bayo dak kilak ro tang ba kita kilak mandon tang point something percent kum kinong rep ki bang progressive farmer ki bari ki member jongi hiro ngila ban yelam pi kum uwe mausyat knam ngta kum uwe hapo jante hill kitu ki kamai dak kilak namar balik ki risnyang risyar bat ki we dan ri habangi cancelan sar kinong rep po gejala kam long ka badai ban ong baki yo arp kundai hajar bat ngimla ban priang bat ngi scam ba government kan set ini ka target bakin yarap nang baki skim ba fer nang bangin yo sisya kan ya kene ka arp kundai hajar hasi benai kumbala penpau long baka department ba fer ban